So guys, I'm here. I'm at Sandals, Ochi, and then after I'm gonna give you a little tour, guys. But basically, I'm just sitting in the lobby now, waiting to check on. Okay. And then later, I'm gonna give you a little tour. All right, guys. Guys, look for me. Paint. I have paint on my leg, guys. Yes. Oh my God! Look at this funny view. So pretty. Guys, I just came into the restroom and I just want to show you how fancy these sinks are. Oh my God, they're so pretty. This is just the public area. It's so pretty. Pull up the door, guys, so I don't have to see in the toilet. So this is what I'm wearing, guys. My high waist tights and my bunny top. Alright. This is me. So guys, we're just waiting to check in, and then after I'll get back to you.
A call if you pack light. You didn't bring a blow dryer, we got you covered. Okay. Inside your
it's okay. Wigs okay. You can just wash and hang.
Inside your closet, you have 2 robes to use while you're on the vacation. You have a laundry bag, a laundry list. You put your stuff inside the bag.
I'm a YouTube vlogger, that's why.
You put your stuff inside the bag, you sticky whatever it is you want to be done to it, and the price is also on the list. Okay. Iron board, iron, umbrella, just in cases like this when we have liquid sunshine. Complimentary safe, you put your stuff in, you press any.
Yeah, my husband needs that one.
Same 4 digits, we open and you're good to go. You remember how to use it? Alright, we good to go?
Yeah.
And your bag should be here shortly. If you're not here, then they'll just place them outside the window.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You have 1 key inside your pocket. If you like an extra one, you can always stop by later on to get a duplicate. Okay?
Thank you. Alright, bye.
Thanks.
Alright guys, she was so nice. I forgot to start my vlog when I was entering, so I'm just gonna do it over. We have a neighbor, because it's too, like it's just a hallway. And you have a room there and nobody's in that one. When it's sealed, they said it's sanitized and it's clean, so nobody's in that one. But ours are broken because it's like we went in. And so when you come out on the balcony, you have all natural. You have the fountain, so beautiful. Like guys, it's so gorgeous here. It's like, whew, it's beautiful. It's all green. It's nighttime now, guys, so I actually can't really show you the beauty. I'm gonna just wait until the sun comes up. You can sit there if you want. You can sit right there and watch the fountain. You have to come up on some steps, all right, because we are on the upstairs. There are 4 rooms, so the rooms are like that. You have 2 upstairs and 2 downstairs. We got the upstairs one, and these rooms are mainly for, they are the most expensive, and they are like for return guests. All right, so it's my 3rd or 4th time here now, guys. So yeah, so when you come up the steps, that's it. Beautiful flowers, greenery all the way around, guys. It's super beautiful. All right, and that's the main, that's where I'm coming from, over the lobby over there. All right, so when you enter in, you're gonna get your fire hydrants, the bird flower doorbell system is in the wall. All right, and then you enter. Good tile floor. My husband went up the floor with his slippers and everything. Do not disturb sign on it too. All right, and then first we're gonna go into, my husband is fixing up his safe already. You're gonna go into the bedroom. It's a nice size bedroom. Sandals, Ochi, yes, sorry. All right, you got your chair. Say hi. Hi. You got your they said don't be afraid to use all these liquor up, guys. For me and my husband, we no drink. Shade, where you there, Shade? We want Shade in this, guys, because me and my husband not gonna drink all of this. Cups, spoon, you have coffee, cream, sugar, teas. No. Alright guys, we also have a fridge fully stocked. Lord God, more wine again just than that they sitting here because I wonder if none have none alcohol. Some mercy. Shade, come at the gate, Shade. Come at the gate. Yeah man, we have to go video call Shade and show Shade. So guys, oh, fruit juice. I will drink some of these. These I think my favorite. Which one I favorite again? This one. Fruit punch. This is good too. And I think no, orange, I don't fancy orange. Guava pineapple. Oh, this is my husband's favorite one. The guava pineapple. It's really good, guys. So we got 6, two of each, and we have pop. We not touch that. We are eat healthy. I brought some of my my plum juice, and oh my God, my husband will drink these. My husband, you will drink a Red Stripe, right? And we get water. All right, guys, fully stocked. Hello, good afternoon. I'm okay. Hi. Two, just 2 suitcases. Yes. One is pink and black, like a polka dot, and one is just a black carry-on. No, they're at the front. Yeah, pink and that floral life, and a little black carry-on. Okay, thank you. Okay. So guys, that's the guy. All right, you got your garbage bucket. You got a little chest of drawer or dresser, like you can put your clothes. All right, guys. And you got your flat screen TV. Here, it's a beautiful chair. I wish this was in my home. I love it. It's a fancy chair. All right, guys. And I just have my bag in it. All right. So you can sit and relax. You can push it further back. All right. You can push it how you want. And there's a light behind. And these are the drapes. Really clean and nice, guys. All right. And that was the entrance. Now you can go on the balcony. It's nighttime now, guys, but it's really pretty. All right, you can turn the lights on. Chair for 2 people. Oh, this is a couple's resort. Okay. Answer. And you can hang your stuff here. And oh my God, this is beautiful. You have flowers all the way around. We get the beautiful view, guys. Look at that. I have to go. Look at this little water area, guys. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Yes. All right, guys. I'll show you more later. Oh gosh, I am in love with this. It's so beautiful. It's just a stream that runs, and I think it goes into a fish pond. So beautiful. And they're taking pictures over there. You can get married, you can have anniversary, whatever you want. Yeah. So I'm gonna treat my husband because it was his birthday. So yeah. And this is the bed, guys, a king size bed. You want to see the bed, right, guys?
No problem.
It's a king size bed. Huge bed. You tell him we're celebrating our anniversary? Yeah. Yes. Because we always come here, guys, like February round about our anniversary time. But that gone. So because of the COVID and everything, this is the time we get to celebrate, right, my husband? So yeah, a big king size bed. Best son, how are you gonna do another king size bed? Yeah, we're just gonna sleep, right? Yeah, for sleeping purpose. All right, guys, that's it. I'll come back later. All right, guys, so we are here. I'm super excited because, guys, we never really want to go up a down room where, because they have a how much 6-7 story high over there, guys, that you can look over the sea. It's really nice, but I like these rooms, guys, because you have your own quarters, your own everything. Like, I'm super excited because we are returning guests. But oh, it's maybe my husband 9-10 times, I don't know, maybe more. This is my 4th time. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited for this room. It's clean, it's pretty. Sandals, Ochi, they don't sell. Sorry, so when I see some roses, sometimes they put some roses on the bed. Oh, it's my husband. Let me jump in the bed.
Yeah. Yeah.
My husband, guys, look at this on the backside. Might need to have over here, but guys, we not drink anything. This is just for show off, or just for showing you, okay? Because me and my husband are drinking, and they see me, we couldn't want to get drunk. Oi. Okay, guys, later we're gonna go into the bathroom, garbage. My husband already done pack out theme side, so okay, this is I didn't take. They have some nicely packed stuff. Shampoo, I think shampoo, lotion, conditioner, and this is body cleanser. This is body wash. Maybe they give 2 body wash. Oh, and this is lotion. Okay, and shower cap, Q-tip, clean out your ears and your nose. My husband already done pack out film detergents and the alcohol in this. Him already done pack out film side, guys. I don't know what's up with that. You have 2 glasses. And put it close there. And you have hand wipes. Alright, you have your towels. We get 2 sets. Alright, and we have our over here now. Oh, that's there. Okay. And you get a big mirror, and you have 2 lights. Alright, so that's it. Tissue, and you get 2 sets of towels, as I said. And these curtains, they are like lime. And this is the bath. It's really fancy, guys. Really pretty inside. I love this bath for shower and for bath at the same time. It's super deep. It's like 2 feet, a little bit more than 2 feet deep. You can put your wet clothes there, guys, towels, and you put your soap and your body wash, and then you just close it back. Simple. Get a mirror, all right, so the ladies can titivate up, all right, and it has 2 sides, all right. Oh, hi guys, and this is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing today. My leggings, well, it's a half a one with my pockets, and I got this I got from Winners, all right, and this one I got from Urban Planet. It's like $19 and 30% off. I think $13. All right, guys, see me stand up tall, so basically you can see what I'm wearing. So guys, this is my outfit of the day, and we're not gonna fall down. All right, we're not gonna fall down today. Me plant my foot good. You see that, guys? Nah, fall down. So this is my outfit of the day, guys. Hold on. All right, okay, guys, and as I said, this is my leggings. I got this, it's like biker shorts with the pockets from I got this from from Winners, like 4 of them, but this is I bought the black. And this top I got from Urban Planet. Okay, what's this on? My bunny. Okay, and I just tuck it in to wear it like that. Okay, so that's my outfit, guys. We're gonna get something to eat now. I don't know if you can see the bum, and that's the back. That's the back part there, guys. Okay, I think we're gonna go eat something now, okay guys, and I'll catch up with you later. Alright guys, this is my little area. I took out my stuff. I have some stuff on my face, but it's somewhere over there, and that's my husband's side. Alright guys, and this is me all showered and cleaned up, guys, and I'm going to bed now, guys, so good night.